Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at PDD or Pinduoduo. Before we begin, remember to take a second to give this video a like and subscribe as you greatly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's start off with PDD. So actually PDD, there's a lot of buying pressure. In fact, just last Friday, you can see that there's a very nice looking green candle after it's announced its results. So apparently after announcing the results, there was an initial flush and we actually closed the gap before finishing at the peak. So that is a very strong sign of buyers. And as you can see, currently now this blue baseline is currently acting as a very strong support at 42.33. And if you were to pull back down and break this $40 psychological support, then I'm looking at this red baseline is currently at 39.69. So these two will act as a very strong support at 42 and also at 39. Moving up the charts, you can see that after clearing the 61.8%, which is a very strong resistance at 46.07, we are looking towards this $50 psychological resistance at 50.16, which may be tested perhaps on Tuesday or even Wednesday once the market is open. And if we were to break out of this 15.16, then we can likely test this 55.38. Looking at the charts, you can see that even before the earnings, there was already some buying pressure, and this is a very nice chart of this is the low and this is a higher low. So this is a high, and then we start creating new highs. So potentially we may hit up to a high of 50.16 before pulling back. And if we were to pull back, hopefully this previous resistance here can turn into support. So what we want to see is something like this. So if this is a resistance here, it's likely for us to head up and then pull back down. This becomes support before going back up. So that is a good sign. But however, if we do break down this with high volume and then there's no follow through, then it's likely for us to continue down further. So we can only hope for the best, and we'll see how it performs on Tuesday for this particular counter. And $50 is a very strong psychological resistance that PDD has to clear before revisiting the highs of 55.38. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.